Hey members, I am traveling to Melbourne to show you guys a couple of the areas that we are investing in. We're going to show you some completed properties that some of our members have already purchased. And on top of that, we're going to show you the value that has now created for our members. So we have now come to Wollert. This is what Wollert's about 25 kilometers from Melbourne CBD. And if we turn around here are nearly completed homes or investments that we recommended. Nearly done. I think this is on the final stages of construction. Part of the reason we wanted to do this investment was the local infrastructure. So if you go this way, that's going to be that shopping center that we spoke about a year and a half ago. So you imagine having an investment here and you walk across and that's going to be the shopping center, right? We're actually we're in an estate called Rathdown. This is a Villawood estate. We believe this is one of the best estates in Wollert. Look, once this is done, valuations, I believe here is already higher than the contract price. At that time, we were getting these investments. 2-bedroom, I think, was in the mid 400,000s, all the way up to 4 bedrooms, which is in the 550,000. And certainly, now when you look back on it, those prices actually, to me, undervalued at that time, considering. When you look at this now and then you go across the road, the estate now is becoming a lot more established. Rathdown Club, the private club for these residents, that's already done as well. And sticking to the fundamentals, what you'll notice, guys, is most things we do at Investmentor has very similar fundamentals. Are we getting near local infrastructure that has the amenities and still has to pass all our investment data? Remember that, guys, low vacancies, owner-occupier area, and you'll notice a lot of the McDonald's and the KFCs have now moved in just down there. So it is going to be an up and coming area. So, these are the type that we look for to try to invest in these early stages. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed some of this content. If you did like it, hit the subscribe button and we're going to do a lot more content just like this.